you the average middle-class American who has no energy throughout the day?
Yes, I am.
Then try Animal. It tastes great.
Wow, that is great. And I have a lot more energy. Thank you. Ooh.
Animal gives you the energy you need, and everybody's drinking it, so don't be at a disadvantage. If you are attacked by someone and you don't drink Animal, you'll be crushed. But if you do drink Animal, you can fight back. Do you have a family member who's always exhausted from work and various stresses?
Hey, Dad, you having some trouble with that?
So tired.
Try this new energy drink.
What is it?
Animal.
Oh, wow!
I love this animal drink. Love it.
Either you buy the drink, or you fall behind from the rest of the world.
If I'd only had an Animal, I could have kept up.
It's not too late, brother.
Thanks, man. Animal. Wow, tastes great, too.